We're a team of the islands of Fiji, chill, Fiji, bit of fire, my colors stand like a big with beer. From the sun and the sun, the water's clear. Raise up your bottle, make we chant right here. Fiji, bit of strong and bold. I sip my tech, me can't let go. Island vibes, it'll make me feel so good. The Fijian sun to raise my cup high, you know. While the him a Samoan pride so deep, me drink and me laugh, the vibe can't sleep. And with every sip, my spirit a leap. For Samoa people, make we take a big sip. It go left it Tonga, the flavor nice. Cool and crisp like ice on ice. Tonga style where you feel so right. A Tongan vibes, me can't let go tonight. Style lager, New Zealand's best. When me sip it, me feel so blessed. From Aotearoa shores, me can't resist. A Kiwi pride, every sip of the bliss. Big wave from Hawaii, flowing free. Colder like the sun, a island glee. Corner vibes make me feel so free. Now Hawaii land, got a beer for me. We and drink coffee, the islands are vibe, feed the chill. Fiji beat up for him, I call it style like a big with beer. From the sun and the sun, the water's clear. Raise up your bottle, make we chant right here. Fiji beat us strong and bold. I sip my deck, me can't let go. Island vibes, it'll make me feel so free. The Fijian sun to raise my cup high, you know. Finally my Samoan pride so deep. My drink and my laugh, the vibe can't sleep. And with every sip, my spirit a leap. For Samoa people, make we take a big sip. It got left it on and the flavor nice. Cool and crisp like ice on ice. Tongan style where you feel so right. A Tongan vibes, me can't let go tonight. It got left it on and the flavor nice. Cool and crisp like ice on ice. Tongan style where you feel so right. A Tongan vibes, me can't let go tonight. Style lager, New Zealand's best. When me sip it, me feel so blessed. From Aotearoa shores, me can't resist. A Kiwi pride, every sip of the bliss. Big wave from Hawaii, flowing free. Colder like the sun, a island glee. Corner vibes make me feel so free. Now Hawaii land, that's a beer for me.